The DJI Agras T50 is the latest entrant in DJI's agriculture drone lineup, and it promises to be a game-changer for farmers. Here's a closer look at its features and how it stacks up. Power and performance. Heavy lifting. The T50 boasts a massive payload capacity of 40 kilograms for spraying and 50 kilograms for spreading. This allows farmers to cover more ground in a single flight, improving efficiency. An optional orchard kit can bump the spraying capacity to 50 L. Dual power. The coaxial twin rotor system and split torque-resistant structure provide exceptional stability even with heavy payloads. This is crucial for maintaining an even application during spraying or spreading. Smarter spraying. Dual atomization. The T50's dual atomizing spraying system delivers a high flow rate, up to 16 L per minute, and uniform, fine droplets for optimal coverage. An upgrade option with 4 nozzles pushes the flow rate to 24 L per minute for high-volume applications. Precise application. The T50 is equipped with forward and rear phased array radars, a binocular vision system, and a 12-megapixel camera. This suite of sensors allows for precise terrain following, up to 50 degrees, obstacle avoidance, and real-time monitoring for a safe and efficient operation. Operational advantages. Mapping made easy. The T50 offers complete mapping capability, including 50-degree sloped surveys and automated operations. This simplifies field planning and ensures consistent coverage. Fast charging. The T50 boasts ultra-fast charging, taking just 9 minutes using a standard power outlet or generator. This minimizes downtime and keeps operations moving. Intelligent control. A dedicated remote control provides a smooth and user-friendly experience for planning missions, monitoring progress, and viewing data. Overall, the DJI Agras T50 appears to be a powerful and intelligent agricultural drone that can significantly improve efficiency and productivity for farmers. Its high payload capacity, advanced spraying system, and comprehensive obstacle avoidance features make it a strong contender in the agricultural drone market. Here are some additional points to consider. Pricing and availability. The T50 is a new release, so specific pricing information might be limited. Check with authorized DJI retailers for details. Training and regulations. Operating agricultural drones often requires specific training and licensing depending on your location.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.